Let's look at my SQL session. What is a session? A session represents a successful connection by a client. In my SQL, client requires some connection to establish connection with the server. And when it is connected, we have what? A connection ID. Assume that this is a client and this is a server. You want to do some work, you have to connect. This is called what? A session. And this session, there's always what? A connection ID. And that connection ID is called what? The trend ID. Okay. Now, how do you see this number? If you want to see this number, this ID, how can you find it? Let's see. Say show full process list. See, these are my process list. It's telling me the user. The first one is what? Event scheduler. The root of this server. Telling me the DB connected to and what is going on. This one is sleeping. This one is sleeping. And this one is what? A query, which I just what? Issued. As you can see, this one is what I did in other terminal. You can see I was doing some things in terminal. So currently it's telling me that what? It is sleeping. Assume I want to kill this particular section. If I want to kill it, if I want to delete it, you can use many things to do that. You can just say kill, you put the number. Let's say 14. It's successful. Now let me run this one again. It's no longer there. Okay, that one is gone. You can also do something like this. Let me reduce this. So select concat the kill and the ID. I want to get them from this same process list, but under this schema where the user is user. Now let me put root here now. It's giving me 16 and what? 15. I remember this we were there before. If I run here again, 15 and 16. This one is sleepy, so let me delete it. So what I was trying to tell you is that if you know the user, you put it here. Put the scheduler here now, for instance. See, it's 5. And you saw that it was 5, right? Show full list. See, it's 5. So if I put root here, I have this 2. And I know that this one is sleeping. So all you just need to do, just to copy this one, a place. So let's kill it. Gone. Now let me see the full list again. 16 is remaining now. Let me try to delete 16. Let's see. Let's kill 16. Error. Why? Because that's what I'm using to do this work. Now, because of that destruction, it has shifted. Though it gave me an error, it has what? Shifted. No more what? 16 here. It has shifted to what? 18. Now let me try to delete 17 now. I just want to let you know that this is auto assigned. Successful. Now let me see the full list again. You see 18. If I try to delete 18, that same error message will pump up. See? Now it has shifted again now because you try to kill this one. I don't know the reason why you wanted to kill it. So I'm going to another what? Connection. See, 90 and 20. One is sleeping and one is awoke because of what? This. Hope you understand this. Thank you for viewing.